Do you want to check if your iPhone still has a warranty? Knowing your warranty status is helpful if you need repairs or service. It's super easy to check. Here's how you can check your iPhone's warranty. Check iPhone warranty via Apple's official website. Find your iPhone serial number. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap General, then tap About. Locate the serial number of your iPhone. Tap and hold on the serial number. Copy this number as you'll need to check your warranty status. Open Safari browser. Go to Coverage page. Enter the serial number. Paste or type your iPhone serial number into the designated field. Complete the CAPTCHA to verify you're not a robot if it asks. Tap Submit. View warranty status. If this says coverage expired, that means there is no warranty available on your iPhone. The website will display details about your iPhone's warranty status, including whether your device is still under Apple Care or if your warranty has expired. And that's it. Now you know how to check if your iPhone is still covered for repairs or services. Give it a try and see for yourself.